Most men fall into one of two categories. The nice guy who agrees with everything she says, hoping she will eventually like him. Or the jerk who is arrogant and disrespectful, thinking that is what confidence is. Both of these approaches are wrong. The nice guy is boring. The jerk is insecure. The most attractive man is the one who knows how to create emotional tension. He is a master of the push and pull technique. Today, I am going to teach you the single most powerful psychological tool for building massive attraction and making any woman obsessed with you. The concept is simple. Women need emotional variation. If you are always nice, pull, she gets bored. If you are always mean, push, she leaves. You must alternate between the two. Think of it like a rubber band. You pull it back to create tension, and then you release it. That snap is what creates the spark. Here is how you apply it in real life. Step number 1, the pull, building comfort. This is where you show her that you are interested, but in a calm, confident way. You give her a genuine compliment, but not about her looks. Compliment her energy, her style, or her intelligence. Say something like, "You have a really cool vibe. I like how passionate you are about your work." This makes her feel seen and appreciated. It builds a connection. Step number 2, the push, creating tension. The moment she gets comfortable, you push her away slightly. This is not about being mean. It is about being playful and challenging her. You can do this by disagreeing with her on something small or by teasing her. For example, if she says she loves pineapple on pizza, you can smirk and say, "Wow, I thought you were cool, but now I am not so sure. We might have a problem here." This creates a micro moment of uncertainty in her brain. She wonders, wait, does he like me or not? This confusion releases dopamine. It makes her think about you more. Step number 3, the pull, validation. Just as she starts to doubt herself, you pull her back in. You smile, change the subject, and give her warmth again. Say, "I'm just kidding. You are still okay, I guess." This relief feels amazing to her. It shows her that you are not actually rejecting her, you were just playing. The psychology behind this is powerful. When you use push and pull, you are communicating two things simultaneously. First, you show her that you are high value. You are not afraid to disagree with her or challenge her. You do not need her approval. Second, you show her that you are fun and unpredictable. You are not like the other boring nice guys. Remember, the goal is not to be manipulative. The goal is to be authentic. Be genuinely interested, but also be genuinely willing to challenge her. When you master this balance, you become addictive. If you want to learn more psychological hacks to become the man women chase, hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.